Okay guys, this is my review of the 22 Nosler White Oak Armory barrel. See, it's a 1 and 8 twist. The barrel itself performs very well. I am shooting less than an inch groups at 200 yards with factory Nosler ammo. I have a Timony gold target trigger. The scope is an Athlon 6-30 by 56 Argos MOA scope. There's not very many reviews of this particular cartridge by private individuals, I should say. This is a 24-inch barrel gun. It is a bull barrel. It's going to be a prairie dog gun. We'll walk down and take a look at the groups real quick. Like I said, I'm shooting at 200 yards. Bear with me, it's a walk. So this round came out the 2017 SHOT Show. It was first introduced. There's several barrel makers out there. There's goods and bads on the reviews on the barrels that exist. I tend to like White Oak Armory. I have several of their barrels, and the ejection stuff is great. It ejects at the 3 o'clock position just like it should. Have no problems after the barrel install in the upper. Not much really to say other than it works. It does what it's supposed to do. The round performs. The brass isn't chewed up like I've seen in some other barrel reviews. I think it's totally reloadable. The sides of the casings are not scarred up. After this, I'll be doing 600 yards. See how it does there. If it's shooting this well at 200, there's no doubt in my mind that 600 ought to be pretty easy. Don't know that I'll get the group that some of the guys, factory Nosler guys, got out of their gun. That's kind of why I chose to do this review, because some of those groups that they pulled off, I think they're blowing a little smoke. So we shall see. So here's a group here, 5-shot. That's about 1.5 inches. There's a 3-shot group. This one right here was one of the first side-in shots. So I sighted in there, I moved it down, shot this, and got a little wiggly. The other groups are groups that I shot with a different gun. Anyways, just an idea of how the White Oak Armory barrel performs with factory ammo. I got that ammo off of Midway USA, and it was basically $18 a box. Leave comments. I appreciate it. Thanks.